Are you tired of clicking around Gmail trying to add someone to a space? Learn the exact 8 clicks to add members in under 30 seconds. First, we'll navigate to the correct space. Then I'll show you the hidden Add Members button and how to send the invitation. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage on your PC. Then, click on Chat in the left sidebar to open the chat panel. Now, locate the Spaces section in the same sidebar. Click on the specific space where you want to add members. Once inside the space, click on Add Members. Type the email address of the person you want to invite. Then, click on the email in the drop-down to select it. Finally, click Add to send the invitation. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.